Assalamualaikum. Welcome to another video of AutoCAD. In this video, we'll be practicing some more orthographic projections. So here is a figure. You can see that the front view is on the left. So we'll be making the front view in the second quadrant here, the side view in the first quadrant, and the top view in the third quadrant. So let's begin. In this video I won't be drawing any of the hidden lines. I'll just draw the front, side and top view, and I'll be drawing the center lines. Okay, so let's begin. uh, First of all, we'll make the front view. So this is 140 and this is 100 and this is 38, this is 20, this is 50. So let's begin. I'll go to the layer of my main drawing and okay, so it's alright. I guess it will work. I was just checking that my line would be in the range or not. So let's begin. First I'll draw this line of 140. This 140 in front view, and this would be 18. Turn off the ortho mode. This is 18. Again to the right would be 140, and I'll finish it. Okay, so from 20 here I have to move 38 above to the top, and from here I have to go 50 and 100 above. Okay, so I'll draw these circles now. So I'll simply select this center radius circle, and you can see I select the center diameter, so I don't have to calculate it. It's minus 30 and the other is 55. So one is 30 and the outer one is uh, 55. Okay, so the outer one was uh, bigger. So this is 18 and the outer one is off 20 and 20 40. So basically this is 18 and the outer one is of 40 diameter. Okay, so we have these two. Now I have to join this to tangent to this, and I have to I'll take this tangent radius. So circle will be tangent to here, this one, and the radius would be 25. You can see that I have my curve over here. That was very easy. Again I have taken let's tell you again. I've taken here tangent radius, so I'll select this point and the other circle, and I'll give the radius of 25. So I have a circle over here, so I'll trim out the outer part. So here I have my curve, and I'll join this line tangent to this, and this line is extra, so I'll be deleting this and this one as well. So this has been the front view is completed. Now I'll just add the center lines. First I'll have to choose the center line layer and go to annotate and just go to the center mark. So here I have these uh, my center lines. Okay, so I won't be as I said earlier that I won't be drawing any hidden lines, but just to get an idea about the height and the width, so I'll just turn on this layer, select this layer, and just to get the idea for height and width, I'll be taking this. Okay, alright, so coming back to the main drawing. Now I'll be making the top view. In the top you can see here that the green part uh, would be visible. So let's take a line, and from here it would be 140, and this total would be 85. So 85 here, and again 140 to the left, and 85 down. Okay, so I'll turn off my hidden lines again. Okay, here. So now I have to draw these circles. So these are at 35 and about 30 units deep. So I just take this center radius because the or center diameter because the diameter 16 is given. So let's draw a line first. 35 from this point. It's 35 and it's 30. I have these two center points for the circle, and I'll quickly draw my two circles of 16 diameter. Uh, just try to get the midpoints exactly, or the center points exactly. Now this is 30 and the diameter is of 40. So I'll move 30 here and 40 to the right. So 40 to the right, and I'll go 30 down, and again I'll go 40. So I have a box type over here, and from 50 here I have to go this is 27.5, so I have to go 27.5 here, and I'll be going so basically this is 12 and 12, so I'll go down to 24, and then I'll be going 55, and I'm going 36, then again 55 and 12 down. Alright, so I have this box as well. Now I'll be trimming the extra parts. This one is the extra line. Before that I could just draw a line from here 12 to this side and this side as well. This 12 is basically the thickness. So now I'll be trimming out the extra lines. This one's extra, this one's extra as well, and trimming out these as well because this is one whole solid part, and this would be trimmed out as well. And this line would be up till here. So just so I'll just trim out this line and these as well. Okay, so now I can see that my top view is also completed successfully. These lines are extra as well, so I'll trim out these two. Okay, now I have to draw the center lines, so I'll select the center line layer, again go to annotate and just click the center mark, and I'll mark these two circles. Okay, so now this is completed as well. Now I have to draw the side view. So basically for side view, again I'll open my hidden lines, uh, and I can see I have the height. So first I'll draw the base. The base would be of 85. So I'll select line. Again I'll choose my main drawing layer, and at this point I'll just go 85, and this is the height is 18. So 18, and to the left it would be again 85, and just go down to 18. Okay, so I'll turn off the hidden line layer so that I can visualize my side view correctly. Okay, you can see that this is not very accurate, so I'll just remove these because the view should be in line to this line, the baseline. So again I'll turn on my layer and redraw my lines. This was 85, this was 18, and this was 85 again, and 18. Okay, so now it seems okay. I'll turn off my hidden line layer and you can see this at 18, it's there's a slot over here, so I'll select line, and at 18 I'll go 3 up, and I'll go just drag it to the rest, and from here I'll just go to 18 and move to 3 to the top. Okay, now I'll trim out the extra lines. This is extra, so you can see this was very easy. Now I have to make this side part. So this is 12, so I'll go 12 here from this point, and then I'll go 100 plus 27.5, so 100 and 27.5, and then I'll be going 12 out and 36 here. Again this is 27.5, so This is 36 and 27.5. Sorry, this is 55, and this is 36, and this is 55 again. So from here we go 12, and then we'll finish this to 127.5. Okay. So now for this is at 38, and it's the diameter is 40. So we don't need this diameter. We need this thickness. So this is 30, and it's at 38. So basically we'll go from here, we'll go 38, then we'll go 20 above. This would be 12, and from here we'll go 30, then 40, and then 30 again. Okay, so from this line I'll draw a line 2, okay. So now I'll trim the extra lines, which is this one, and this one as well, this one, you can see it's disappearing, so I'll have to draw it again. Never mind. Take trim, and we trim this one, and this 2. So I'll take a line and just finish it. I think it's not 12, so it's not being made properly. I'll zoom it at this point and take 12 mm and go back. So now I'll trim. Do I have to trim? Yes, I have to trim this one. So I'll trim this line, and I'll keep this one and this one as well. So now it's almost done. I need to recheck it with my figure, but I have this side okay, this side as well, that's okay too, and the top as well. So now my sorry, now my side view is completed as well. I have to add the center lines. So I'll take the line, and from this side I'll draw a center line. I have to turn the ortho mode on for this one, from this, and from this point as well, and from the center too. So I can also repeat my hidden lines, but this seems to be very easy, so I'm not doing that. You guys can try if you want to do, but for me it's very easy, so I'm not, you know, uh, going into the hidden lines. Okay, so I have my center lines, chain lines, so these three and these three, and I also have to extend this to the front view, that is like this. So let's clean the side view first. You can see these lines are non-continuous. Okay, and now I'll clean my front view. Okay, now I also want to extend these, so I'll take the line, and from here I'll just draw a line, let's say of 30, and these are supposed to go to the side as well. It's very time consuming, but you should do it with all your eyes open, because you could easily miss a point. I can also copy these lines over here, but since we are practicing, I'm making each and every one line. Okay, so the front view and the side view seems to be completed, but we have to add this in the side view. So this is from 30, so we will just uh, take a line from here. We should go 30 and draw a center line, and from here we should go the radius is 16, so we should go 8 and draw a line again 16 and draw a line. So now I can remove these. So my side view is now completed, and the front view as well. I just clean the extra heads. So okay, this is all good. Now the top view. So again I choose lines, and I have to draw lines for these two circles, which is one is on this one and the other is on this side. So draw a line here and to the edges of these two circles as well. So this one and not the inner one. So the inner one is here. I need to extend it at least to this point. Now Now from here straight. One would be from here, and okay, so these three lines are added successfully. And now I also have to show this point in the top view, this slot. So at 18 height, I'll draw a line, draw a straight line, then I'm trimming it. Okay, so let's clean this. And this would also appear from here because there's a slot over here as well. So from the top go 18 and trim it. So now the left hand side view, this orthographic view has been completed. So only the dimensions are left, which I hope you can continue with because the video would be too long. So thank you for watching again.